Okay, next up is a Durham fermentation tube. This is an experiment to see if your bacteria can live without oxygen. So what we're going to do is we're going to inoculate it with the bacteria of your choice. Once you inoculate this, you're going to put the lid on tight. So you'll notice, I don't know if you can quite see, but inside the test tube is another little upside down mini test tube. And so what that is for is it's a gas catcher. So if you remember fermentation from lecture, we talked about fermentation as being the alternate pathway. So when you're not doing glycolysis because you don't have oxygen, you can go into fermentation. So what we're doing with this tube, the reason it's red is because there's a pH indicator in here. Because when the bacteria is growing, if it does fermentation, what it's going to produce is lactic acid and carbon dioxide. So the reason the tube is red to start with is the pH indicator. If your bacteria can live without oxygen, it's going to make lactic acid. That's going to turn this yellow. And the upside down test tube, that's the gas catcher. So that catches the carbon dioxide. So yellow plus gas equals positive. So off camera, I'm going to go ahead and inoculate this, and then next week, if the media has turned yellow and there's an air pocket in there, then it's a positive result. If it's any other color but yellow with a bubble, then it's a negative. Most bacteria, because we tighten the lid, they don't survive and they die. Only the gram-negative bacteria have the ability to be fermenters. Okay.